Okay, so today we're going to talk about the levels of organization, and our focus question is going to be, can organisms live in isolation? And this goes on the right side of your notebook. So first let's start talking about the difference between abiotic and biotic. So when we say the word biotic, you can see in that bio, in that beginning of the word, bio means living. So all living things in an ecosystem are considered biotic. When we're talking about abiotic, we mean everything else in that ecosystem that is not living. So rocks, soil, water, all of those are abiotic factors within an ecosystem. So the different levels of organization, there are 6 different levels that we're going to talk about. There's an organism or the individual, which you can see in this elk down here. And then there's a population, which is a group right here. The community, the ecosystem, the biome, and the biosphere. So like we said, organisms are individual living things. So this is just one single organism. You could think of this as just yourself. You are an organism. You are that level of organization. The organism could range from a single cell all the way up to a multicellular organism. Population. A population is a group of the same species of organisms. So this could be a pack of wolves or a school of fish, as long as they are all the same organism or the same species. The next level up is a community, and this is all of the populations of living organisms in one area. So in this picture of a coral reef, you'll see multiple different fish species or different schools, all these populations living in this area, all living in one area together, and this is called the community. The next level up is the ecosystem, and the ecosystem encompasses all of the biotic and abiotic factors in a specific area. So you'll see in this, like keeping with the aquatic factors here, we have biotic and abiotic factors all in this picture, from the biotic being the living reef or the fish, and then there's also sand at the bottom, water, and rock, which are all abiotic factors. All right, so biome is the next level up, and these are ecosystems that share similar climates, and there's 6 different biomes that we're going to talk about. So this map shows many, many more than that, but it does show you that there are a lot of similar areas that are kind of far apart. So you'll notice that northern Canada would be considered the same biome as if you looked up here into northern Russia. And these all share similar climates. And when I say climate, I'm talking about precipitation, temperature, and a few other factors that could come into this. But we'll specifically in a couple days talk about the 6 different biomes. But just know that biomes are ecosystems that share similar climates. In the biosphere. The biosphere is the entire portion of the earth that supports life. So anything that supports living organisms or supports life, this is considered the biosphere. So those are all 6 levels of the organization that we're going to talk about for today. Make sure that you move on to your worksheet for the day and then the extension work listed after that.